and you shall receive. And that's what one of our guests this afternoon did. Hindi po kalaunan, nagpunta siya dito sa atin sa Kababayan LA at nanghingi po ng tulong. Siya po ay isang mag-aaral, film student po sa USC. At kailangan niya po ng tulong na tapusin ang kanyang maikling pelikula para sa kanyang thesis. At ngayon, months later, tapos na po siya. And I am introducing her back to you, Lea Dizon. Hello.
Hi.
And congratulations.
Salamat. Thank you very much.
You look happier na, parang hindi ka na-stress.
Hindi na, kasi natapos na yung movie.
Yes, you know, first of all, Delicadeza.
Yes.
Tell us what the film is about.
It's about an 18-year-old boy who goes into his pamanhikan, his engagement dinner, to his 18-year-old pregnant girlfriend. And then a series of events happen while on that night, and it makes him realize he has to make a decision whether the right thing to do might be the wrong way to go for him.
Right,
So,
okay. And with you is, would you say that the right way to go was the right thing to do for you? Because, you know, I know you came here with really nothing, no?
Yes, nothing.
Tapos, bago ka pumunta rito, sumulat ka pa. I remember si megastar, si Sharon Cuneta, isa pa sa mga nagbigay sa'yo ng tulong.
Yes.
Panggastos mo dito sa Amerika.
Yes.
I know it's been difficult.
It's been very challenging.
Yeah, how has it been for you? I mean, challenging, be more specific. Anong mga challenges and how did you overcome those?
Well, the main challenge is, you know, when I came here, literally, I only had 1 month's money for 1 month's rent, 1 month's tuition, and then, pero I was crying at the airport, like thinking, oh my gosh, what's gonna happen to me? But I still went, I took the leap of faith, and then when I came here, I found a way to be able to sustain my studies. I found a job at school, I worked part-time, I got scholarships, and then I have a very benevolent cousin who hardly knew me. I was a virtual stranger, and he agreed to co-sign some student loans for me. So it's been really an arduous journey.
Pero alam mo, yung kwento mo naman, it's not unique. Marami sa atin, ganyan din yung pinagdadaanan dito ngayon sa Amerika,
I
diba?
know.
You know, uprooting yourself from your birth country and coming here with nothing and starting fresh, starting from scratch.
Yes.
It's not easy. Anong mga natutunan mo?
I learned to be patient, tsaga talaga, and then you have to wake up every day believing that it's gonna work out. Because if you wake up and you think, oh my gosh, what's gonna happen to me, you'll be paralyzed by fear. So you just have to have faith in knowing that God will take care of you and everything will work out.
Alright, kanina, that's very beautiful. Kanina, kinukwento mo sa amin yung paghihirap. If there's one thing na when you look back, yun yung pinaka-down point. Ano yun?
It's, I always remember this, it was when I was at the airport, when my parents had left me, and literally, I had no idea what was going to happen to me. That was like the most deplorable point that I could remember. And then my first night here, it was a New Year's Day, because I came here on December 31st at 10 p.m. I was crying the whole night, because I had no idea what was going to happen to me. But
ano when you look back at those challenges and sacrifices that you had to make, anong most fulfilling?
The thesis. When I finally screened my thesis, it's been 4 years of a long, epic, cinematic journey to reach that point, and I was just so overwhelmed when I finally introduced my film, and I had to thank everyone. That was really, like, it made me feel like the 4 years and all the challenges were worth it, and the sacrifices were worth it.
Wow. Congratulations again. Very heartwarming story from Lea. Pero maganda po ang Delicadeza. Napanood ko kaninang umaga lang.
Yeah.
But it's really nice. It was edited really well. Ang kwento parang set dapat in the Philippines, but you mentioned that it was shot here.
Entirely in Los Angeles. Actually, I haven't gone home since leaving the Philippines. That's actually one of the challenges as well. But yes, it was set entirely here. It's set in the Philippines, it's shot entirely in Los Angeles.
Saan ka naman kumuha ng iyong mga artista? Because we're seeing a familiar face there. Si Ms. Janet Nepales, ating kababayan sa Hollywood Foreign Press Association, artista na rin pala. Yes, what happened?
Well, we posted we made casting notices. We went on Facebook. I spread the word through every Filipino I know. We went to Asian theater companies looking for people. We went door to door to like Filipino communities,
So
Filipino
talaga?
stores.
Sinaga mo talaga.
Yes, kailangan.
Oo.
The big challenge kasi is to look for people who could speak the language.
Oo.
So, and then there are some even in my actors who could sort of speak it, but they have an American accent.
Right.
So I had to train them to like how to say things in a way where it sounds
Authentic
genuinely
Filipino, right?
Filipino,
Okay,
yes.
so what's next for you?
What's next for me is trying to get the film into film festivals.
Mm-hmm.
So hopefully, I'm actually launching a fundraising campaign for that, so that I can start entering the film into film festivals, and hopefully from there, you know, mapansin ang pelikula, and hopefully that would open doors of opportunity for me, as well as make people aware more about my country. So.
Right. And I'm very happy for you, Leah, because you know what? Ikaw yung parang living testimony at na-experience mo talaga yung kindness of people.
Yes. Oh,
kindness of
absolutely.
strangers. You know, it's
Absolutely.
really something else. When you feel that, and when you know that God is working through these people, and you're at the receiving end of God's grace, it's really something. Thanksgiving
Absolutely.
is on Thursday. What are you most thankful for?
I am thankful for, like what you said, the kindness of strangers. I was able to survive here because of the grace of many people and the grace of God. So I'm really, really thankful for that.
What a lovely story. Thank you so much. Good luck.
Thank
More
you very
power.
much for having me.
God
Thank you.
bless.
Thank you very much.
LeahDeason.com is the website if you want to help her, if you want to know what she is up to next, and
Yes.
if you want to partner with her, she is just there on the website. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
More power.
Thank you. Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. Isa na naman pong miyembro ng cast ng Ang Romansa ni Magno